Martha Brae.
Hmm?
Whoop. Dietrich and I rafting down the Martha Brae.
Yeah.
With our guide, and whose name is what?
Isaiah.
Isaiah. Nice to meet you, Isaiah.
Take care,
Barbara
Isaiah.
and G.
Yes, sir. Repeat, madam.
Barbara.
Barbara. D.
And D.
Nice to meet you both.
Take care.
First time Jamaica?
No?
Second time for me.
Me too.
First time rafting though.
First time rafting.
Well,
Okay.
welcome back to Jamaica.
Welcome back to Jamaica.
Also, welcome to rafting.
Thank
Welcome to
you.
rafting.
How beautiful.
The captain name again, Isaiah. We go
Isaiah.
3 miles down. Any question you want to ask, just go ahead, okay? As long as I can answer, then I'll try.
Okay, Isaiah.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Moving down the river on a Sunday afternoon.
Oh, he sings too. Isaiah, do you sing?
Well, I'm a better dancer.
How cute.
So, you do the singing, I do the dancing.
Uh-oh, I'm in trouble here with you guys.
Are you a good singer?
Yes, she is,
Okay.
actually.
I like to sing, but underneath the shower.
On the shower.
Yes,
We
sir.
got you.
That's where I do all my singing.
All your singing. Did you play the guitar?
I don't have a guitar.
You play the radio, though.
Yes, sir.
And you play the ass sometimes, right?
All right.
You ever have two such crazy
Cut.
people?
Cut.
No, I'm not cutting.
Madam?
You ever have two such crazy people on board your
Well,
raft?
sometimes I'm more crazier than that.
Wow, so beautiful. It's pretty.